So good morning. It is my second day. Okay, wait, no. So last night I arrived in Perth, and technically today is my first day in Perth, I guess. And yeah, everything's really great. I like the weather, cause you know I hate the heat, but like last night was kind of really cold, especially after like I went to the toilet and washed my hands. My hands are currently freezing because I just washed them. So yeah, but the room's really nice, the house really nice, the landlord's really nice also. And today is a very busy day because I have a lot of things to do. Like, this is my list of things. I have things to get, things to do. And let me show you around the room. Room tour, yeah! Because like I didn't do like a proper one last night. I was so tired. And yeah, let's show you the room. So that's the shower. This is the other roommate's room. And that's the other roommate's room. This is the toilet, which is just next to my room. So that's really great. And yeah, let's go into my room. I like that it can be locked. Yesterday I had some problem with the lock and I told the owner that it is loose, but actually it's damn tight. I just didn't know how to use it properly. So, like, switch. Whoa. Opening ceremony. Actually, I don't think we need a light. It's very bright. And then the aircon remote with the... That's the aircon and the heater. So let's see an overview. So, she apparently gave me a different room because somebody else wanted the room she showed me earlier, but this room is bigger and like nicer according to her, which I think it is because the previous room only should have this wardrobe, then the table, and this one there was no space to put like these cupboards. So I'm pretty happy with this room because like extra storage, but I have so much storage. Okay, let me show you. So let me start from, oh yeah, and like she gave me like this what's this called? Something to dry your feet on, and then like laundry basket, like wow. Okay, but that what's that called, that net thing is my mom asked me to bring one, so yeah. Okay, so this one is my wardrobe. There's a very small full body shot. I'm not gonna show you because I'm in my pajamas. And yeah, so open here, and she's prepared like the bedding, the lining, like if I want to change later on. Then I put in my clothes. This is like my jacket and stuff. More clothes, and actually I got a lot of space. And there's my last cup noodle left. Okay, Bruno tote bag. Yes, I brought a tote bag here. And then here is my stuff. My jackets. I haven't put everything in, like my towel and everything. There's an extra blanket if I want to use it. And rubbish. The only thing I have is like this dustbin is really small, so my rubbish, yes, I've accumulated rubbish even though I have only been here for one night. And yeah, so that's the rubbish. I'm gonna buy trash bag later or something. And then my bag, and then the desk is really nice, very simple, very, what's that called, minimalistic. Not really a fan of the green. Oh yeah, and look, there, I was like thinking if I need to bring like extension plug or cable. She got the whole row of them for me. Wow. But I only have one adapter, so I've set up a system where I charge my laptop and then like I put this dock here so I can charge 3 things at one go. So yeah. So the desk, sorry, it's a little bit messy. I put in everything. So like my water station, I have my Stojo and my water bottle. Oh yeah, this is the keys, and guess what? The keychain is, wait, focus, yeah, Twin Towers, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia is haunting me even in Perth. Just kidding lah, Malaysia boleh, yeah. So that's the keys lah. And then yeah, this some stationery, and yeah, okay, wait, this later I'll talk about it. And yeah, I have my laptop, everything here. I put in like some of my shit in here too. And I put all my charging stuff and camera stuff here. I haven't utilized the space down here. There's a lot of space and storage. Okay, let me talk about this now. Okay, so this is the welcome pack you get when you reach Perth. Like, if you're studying in Perth, when you reach Terminal 1, there's like this path that says Study Perth. Just follow it and there's a booth. And during the booth opening hours, you get this super awesome welcome pack. So you will get this like free SIM card in your welcome pack as well. And also this $20 off your first Uber ride, which came in really handy yesterday when I took the Uber from the airport. Like, it was supposed to be like $27. So with this, I only paid like $7. And then the rest of the welcome pack, there's a water bottle, and then there are like, what's that? Let's just pour everything out, because that's my style. Okay. Clear folder can be used like as a file, so that's great to have. And then look at this. Wow, it's a cooling towel for when you go gym. Like, what? That Wenxin and gym. Wenxin doesn't even run for the bus when she's late. Oh my god. Okay, maybe new place, new me. I don't know, but that's nice to have, I guess. And then just a bunch of pamphlets and info stuff. Oh, maps. That's great. Okay, I need that, even though I'm dumb at reading maps. Okay, so like I'll read all these pamphlets in a bit. And yeah, oh, they also gave like stationery, I guess, this sticky pad, and then the highlighter. Oh, that's great. And also a nice pen. Yeah, so remember to get your welcome pack when you reach Perth. Okay, so like my issue is this painting, because like my bad habit is I like to kick the wall when I sleep. So last night I was like, will I kick this painting down? I was really worried, but okay, I did it in the end, because like whenever I touched the wall, it was so cold, I would shrink back. So yes, I think the painting is safe. So, and then that brings us to here. So okay, I have set up my wire. So as you can see, right, my wire, I put it under the bed because like I don't want to trip over it. So this is my 3 meters long night. This came in handy, lor. My 3 meters long Native Union night cable. So I have this anchored here. Oh, okay, not very anchored then. It's supposed to be very anchored. Okay, anchor. Hello. Okay, my phone. Then let's just move this aside first. So in my bedside table, I put like the first drawer. Okay, see, all the stuff I might need in the middle of the night. I don't know, like, because I'm old. So yes, the OG people will know. What's this? Yoko, yes. And then some hand cream and my lip balm, and then like some Panadol plasters and my sunnies, my shaver, tweezers, and what's this called? Nail clipper. Yeah. And then there's just a lot of space. Oh yeah, and then my bag is here. And then I have a new, oh, that's not mine. Oh, that's a instruction manual. And then I call this my skincare slash makeup drawer, makeup desk. So like I think I'm gonna do like my skincare. I did my skincare here, so I'm gonna do like my makeup here. I don't know. So thanks Tasha. So thanks Tess for getting this for me. This is the what? Hello, can you focus? Yeah. This is from Bath and Body Works, and it smelled really nice and was really nice to use. So yeah. And yeah, just my skincare stuff. I'll show you all in depth, like if you want a separate video. I don't know, let me know if you want to see. And then okay, this is a bit hard to use. Hello. Okay, so my contact lens, my makeup stuff, and then more skincare and mask, and that's like my accessories. And yeah, and then the rest of it is empty. I'm not gonna open them all, but yeah, so that's about it. Okay, let me show you the shower area. So you've seen the toilet, which is next to my room, and this is the shower area. So this is the shower area, and there's a bathtub, and this is the shower. So I think it's clogged because like yesterday night when I used it, right, only some of the holes had water, so but I could live with that. And when you walk out, okay, let me just show you around the house. Okay, So this is our side of the house with the living room, and then there's the iron, the fridge. I don't know why the fridge is in the living room, but it just is. This is outside the kitchen. There's a really big, okay, wow, okay, I didn't see this last night. So outside is like the garden, and then this is the kitchen and cooking area, the dining area, and then here is where I can wash all my clothes, I guess. And then I'm not gonna show you the rest of the house because that's like the owner's like this part outside there. That's the owner's part of the house.